Welcome to Tapes2USB FAQ page, our frequently asked questions. FAQ number 5. Can you fix damaged videotapes? We often have to recover tapes that look, to all intents and purposes, beyond repair. Whilst we might not be able to retrieve every last second of the tape, most of the time we exceed our customers' expectations. Damage is usually caused by a faulty camera. A common situation we come across is tapes that are stuck in the camera. We will always use our best endeavours to extract the tape without damaging the camera, but this isn't always possible. However, we understand that the recordings on the tape are usually much more valuable than the camera itself. Another problem we are seeing more and more of is tape mould or fungus. This manifests as white powdery substance that can be seen on the tape spools. It is caused by the tapes being stored poorly in damp conditions or where the temperature is uncontrolled, causing condensation. It's not always fatal for the tape, but it can be, especially on Video 8 and DV tapes. Needless to say, we will always treat customers' tapes and the precious memories they contain with utmost care. If you've got any further questions, please visit the website tapes2usb.co.uk. Tapes2USB, preserving your media for future generations to come.